Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Simple English Corner. Can you help me with the dishes? Sure, I'll help after I finish this. Where is the remote control? It's on the coffee table. Did you water the plants today? Yes, I did it this morning. Is the laundry done? Yes, I finished it an hour ago. Can you set the table for dinner? Yes, I'll do it right now. What time will you be home? I'll be home by 6 p.m. Did you feed the dog? Yes, I fed him already. Where is my phone charger? It's in the bedroom on your nightstand. Can you close the windows? Sure, I'll do it now. Did you lock the door? Yes, I locked it before coming upstairs. Can you turn off the lights? Yes, I'll turn them off on my way out. Do we need to buy groceries? Yes, we are out of milk and bread. What's that noise? It's probably the washing machine. Where is the vacuum cleaner? It's in the closet. What time is breakfast? Breakfast is at 8 a.m. Can we watch a movie tonight? Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Did you call the plumber? Yes, he's coming tomorrow. What should we cook for lunch? How about veg fried rice? Can you pick up the mail? Yes, I'll get it on my way back. Where did you put the keys? They are on the key rack. Can you make some tea? Sure, I'll make it right now. What time do we have to leave? We need to leave by 7 p.m. Did you clean your room? Yes, I cleaned it this afternoon. Can you fix the Wi-Fi? I'll check the router and see what's wrong. What time is it? It's 3:30 p.m. Can you help me with the groceries? Yes, I'll be there in a minute. Did you take out the trash? Yes, I took it out this morning. Where is the first aid kit? It's in the bathroom cabinet. Can we go for a walk after dinner? Yes, that sounds nice. Did you call your mom today? Yes, I talked to her this morning. What time are we having dinner? Dinner is at 7 p.m. Can you check the mail? Yes, I'll do it now. Where is the broom? It's in the pantry. Did you pay the bills? Yes, I paid them yesterday. What's the plan for today? We are cleaning the house and then relaxing. Can you take the dog for a walk? Yes, I'll take him after breakfast. Where is the spare key? It's under the flower pot. Did you turn off the oven? Yes, I turned it off after baking. Where are my glasses? They are on the kitchen counter. Did you finish your chores? Yes, I finished all of them. Can you help me find my book? Sure, where did you last see it? What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm outside. Can we order pizza for dinner? Yes, let's order from our favorite place. Did you put the clothes in the dryer? Yes, they are drying now. Where is the scissors? They are in the kitchen drawer. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much.